How to fix IDM not working on YouTube. So guys, this is really easy. I'm going to show you 3 best working methods. Let's get started. Our first step is to update IDM because this is the most powerful fix. For this, open IDM. At the top, click on the Help option. From here, select Check for updates. If an update is available, then install it. Then after the update, restart your PC at once. Now let's move to the second step, which is the proper way to reinstall the IDM integration module. For this, open any browser. It can be Chrome or Edge. At the top, open the extensions icon. Then go to Manage Extensions. From here, remove IDM. Again, confirm and remove it from the pop-up. After removing it, close the browser. Go to My PC. Then go to the C drive. From there, open the Program Files x86 folder. On this page, find and open the IDM folder. Here you'll see the IDM gcext.crx file. Try dragging and dropping this file into your browser, then click Add Extension. After that, completely close the browser and open it again. If you run into any issue, try the next method, and if it works, you can skip ahead to the third method. Now open IDM. Go to Options. Here, turn on Advanced Browser Integration. This helps IDM try to reinstall the extension automatically. Now comes the third step, where you turn on Advanced Browser Integration. For this, open IDM. Go to Options. In the General tab, make sure Advanced Browser Integration is enabled or just restart once. Then below, select your browser, either Chrome or Edge. Press OK. Now check IDM. Still got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.